The Watifisa air compressor. Another opportunity for Starboard Bow to review this. I mean, this is pretty cool looking gadget here. And like I've said in my previous videos, everybody can use an air compressor. You got any type you're down, especially you're down here at the beach. It's a beautiful place. You got beach balls, you got beach tubes. Your tires go flat. You're riding around in your bicycles. You got bicycles, you got car tires, you got basketballs. Whatever it is, you know you guys need this. So check it out. The Watifisa. Watifisa. Let's check it out, boys and girls. Boom. Oh, got a little backpack. That little thing with the straps. Watifisa. Nice little backpack. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, boy. All right. All right. You got a 12-volt connector. This thing is cool. I like the shape, like the colors. It's pretty cool there, guys. Nice little unit. You got the area in here that holds the oh, look at the size of this thing. That's pretty cool. Air compressor gauge, the air compressor line. That's pretty cool right there. Look at the size of this thing. Wow. What else we got in here? And your little tubes. Remember, we've gone over this one with this little 12-volt fuse that's in here. Always need to have that for the end here, that if this thing blows on you, unscrew this right here, and that fuse, this little fuse right here is inside here. You just replace it. Very simple. Cool. The Watifisa. Obviously, you got to have this thing plugged into your 12-volt, your car battery, charge up your tires. I like this little pouch, that little, almost like a kangaroo pouch there. Stick this cable in here. Cool. There you go. A lot of these, I've done these in the past where this cable is not long enough. This cable's long enough, guys. I can just plug it right here into my 12-volt. See what this goes on here. There it is. You could adjust the okay, let's take this little thing off here. The center thing right here. You got it on BAR, KPA, and then KGCN, and the one you want, which is PSI. Bring this down to, in my case, I need 40 something for my tires. 40. I usually set them up at 42. Do that. Press the button, and that's going to keep going until it's filled up. Press the button, and it's that button right there, guys. Little middle button. Press that button right there on top of the button for the air compressor, and then you just press it again and it turns it off. All right, guys. Cool little side unit there. Color is really nice. Got a little pouch back there for your tube, and there's your cable, your power cable. That thing is huge. Love the size of it. Let's check this out. Alright guys, that's it. The Watifisa works as advertised. Got it plugged in my 12 volt. Those of you that have little portable power supplies, as long as they're able to handle the watts coming out of this Watifisa, you're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and fill up the rest of the tires, get underway, make sure they're all squared away. I recommend this thing. It's just like any other air compressor, guys. It does what it's planned. Everybody says, well, you've done so many of these, you've done different ones, but you know what? It does what it's planned. It's an air compressor, fills up the air in your tires. Obviously, if it's going to fill up the air in my tire, it's going to fill up the air in your basketball, and it's going to fill up the air in your tires on your bicycles. So there you go. I recommend it. The Watifisa air compressor. I'll put the description in the description. I'll put the link to the product. I recommend this product if you're needing something to fill up your tires and your beach balls and all those things. This will do the unit. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking. Please comment on my videos, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next one. Have a great day.